If your goal is to complete your 4,000 watch hour before February 2027, you need to start using these 5 YouTube features in your video. My watch hour has been increasing since I started using this feature. So without wasting your time, let me quickly show you these 5 settings you need to start using in your video to get more watch hour. The setting that you need to turn on to get more watch hour is simply go to your YouTube studio, and the next thing is to go to your content. Click on content here. If you have not been using this feature, you need to start using it right now. So you click on content and you will see this pencil icon. You click on it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the feature. You might be seeing the feature, but you might not know the essence of the feature. Now see this place, you see these chapters. This is the feature I'm talking about. Now you can actually add it manually like this. You type it in your video description, or you add it automatically. So here you can see show more. You click on show more and you will see automatic chapters. So this is it. This is automatic chapter. So because I wrote my own, like I used manual chapter, I wrote it manually. That is why I did not toggle it on. But if you don't write your own manually, you must toggle it on, because it will really help you to get more watch. So let me quickly show you how it will look like on your YouTube channel. So have you ever wondered? So this is what I am talking about. You click on this and you click on this show more. Follow me keenly, you will understand what I am saying here. So you can see this is it. You can see this is the chapters. This is the introduction. This is you can see. So somebody can quickly just go straight to where they want to watch. You can see the title of each of the chapters. So this will increase your watch hour, because some people might not want to watch the introduction part of your video and just jump to the part that they want to watch. This will allow you to get more watch hour, and if you have not been using it, you need to start using it. Like, you need to start using it. Then another feature you need to start using right now is still in the YouTube studio. So click on content and click on videos. Then you click on the video details and it will take you to this place. Then you see this end screen. Click on this pencil icon. If you have not been using end screen to your video, you need to start using it. You can see this video already has an end screen. If you have not been using it, you need to start using it, because once somebody finish watching your video, another video that YouTube will recommend to that person should be your video. But if you don't have end screen at the end of your video, the person will just watch another creator's video, and which is not good for you. Another feature you need to start using right now, still in the YouTube studio, is click on content, click on any of the video that you already have or that you want to upload. Maybe you want to upload a new video. Yeah, still come back to this side and you will see card. You click on this pencil icon and you will see card. So this is a video that will come up immediately somebody click on your video. You see all these videos that used to come up at the top side, maybe at the top right side of your video when somebody click on your video. As you can see, this is the video, how to get 4,000 watch hour. So if you have not been using card on your video, you need to start using it to get more watch hour. Another feature you need to start using right now is in the YouTube studio. You click on these settings and you click on channel. Once you click on channel, you click on advanced settings. Follow me keenly. You click on advanced settings. Then you see this automatic dubbing. You need to turn it on. Yes, because if you make your video in English and somebody in India or in China is watching your video, that video they will be hearing their language. You know your video is in English, but if somebody in other country that are not English speaking country are watching your video, they will be hearing, what they will be hearing is their own language. And imagine that somebody that is not an English speaking click on your video and the video started speaking English. They don't understand it, so they will just click away. But imagine now that the video is speaking in their language. You know that they will be interested in watching that video and they might stay long in watching that video, especially if that video is very, very valuable. So if you have not been turning on this setting, you need to start turning on this setting. The last setting you need to start using in your video is you click on content, then you click on shorts. This time around it is not long form, it is short. Then you click on, this is my short video, so you click on any video, click on this pencil icon to click on any video. Now you scroll down to this side and you will see related video. Can you see related video? So you want to pick any video. When you upload your short, you always need to attach any video that is related to that short to the short, any video that is related to the video, to that short, so that whenever people click on that short and people click on the video, it will take them directly to the long form video. If you link your long form video to your short, this is exactly how it will look like to shorts. And let me just click on one video. Me to the second big mistake. So this is the video, and you can see that there is another video at the below this video that has play button. Let me click on this video right now and you will see where it will take me to. So let me just click. Have you ever wondered why you are getting a lot of views, but can you see that it took me to the long form video? So you want to always link your long form video to your short whenever you post short, so that when people want to watch the full video, they will be able to click on the video below the short to watch the full video, and this will increase your watch hour, because some people might come to your channel and watch like 2 or 3 or 4 of your video, and this way you'll be able to accumulate more watch hours. So these are the 5 settings you need to start using immediately if you want your watch hour to increase, because my watch hour has been increasing since I started using these features. And make sure you watch the video next on the screen, because in that video I share some mistake that you might be doing that might be making you to lose some watch hours. Because if you notice that your watch hour are losing, or your watch hour is not increasing and your views are increasing but your watch hour is not increasing, you need to watch that video, because I share some tips and some mistakes that you are making that might cause you not to get watch hour even though you are getting views, and how to fix it. So click on the video and watch it, and I will see you there.